My name is Matthieu Chevallier. I work at Météo France as a PhD student. I am interested in the role of the Arctic sea ice in the climate system and its predictability at seasonal to decadal timescales. I use an atmosphere-ocean sea ice coupled model to perform seasonal predictions of the Arctic sea ice cover. Such predictions could provide useful information on marine accessibility of the Arctic Ocean a few months in advance and could be beneficial for Arctic populations for the planning of ship supplies or fishing activities. The system I developed gives very good results over the next decades for the predictions of the September sea ice extent minimum. The system performs also well in predicting the winter sea ice extent in the Barents Sea, which is quite challenging due to complex air-sea interactions. I will present some of these promising results during the conference IPY 2012 in Montreal.